Hey, this is Jim here. I just want to do a review of this TNT tooling wire stripper. I just received this today. I actually won this from Mike at TwoOneO Scrapping. He had his 100 subscriber giveaway, and I was lucky enough to win this. I have a lot of wire I need to get stripped up, and this is going to really help me make a little extra money. I can sell it, as stripped copper instead of insulated wire. And I just really want to say thanks to Mike, TwoOneO Scrapping. He puts up a lot of great videos, a lot of good info. Check out his YouTube channel. And I am going to do a little review of this. It's got the little Allen wrench here. There's set screws here. What you do is you can loosen the set screw, adjust the blade up or down depending on the thickness of the wire that you're using. I'm just going to show you how it works here real quick in a minute. But I have a lot of wire I need to get stripped out. Got all this. This is old house wire. It's copper wrapped with aluminum, and the copper underneath there is all insulated. It's pretty old, so it should strip up pretty easily, but this wire stripper will definitely help. This is all aluminum here. Obviously some of it's not insulated, but some of it is, so I'm going to strip that aluminum wire also. And then I've got a bunch of wire here that I can strip. This bucket full of wire. And then I've got some other good sized pieces of copper wire here also that I'm going to get stripped out. Again, I really want to thank Mike, TwoOneO Scrapping. Please check out his channel. And in a minute here I'm going to show you this wire stripper working. Okay, so I got this piece of copper wire here. I'm gonna feed it through here. This is like so easy. You could even put this in a vise if you wanted to. Just run it through. And you can see where it's cutting into the wire there. So easy, just run this through. And then what you do, after you get it through, you can peel this back at the end. Just like that. So easy. I'm so psyched for this. Thanks again, Mike. TwoOneO Scrapping. A lot of good videos and good information on scrapping, so everybody go check out his channel.